Ever feel like you're too busy to focus on weight loss? You're not alone. Juggling a hectic schedule while trying to shed a few pounds can feel impossible. But what if the key isn't in sweating it out, but in making small, sustainable changes? Today's video is about unlocking exactly that. Quick, effective hacks for achieving your health goals without flipping your life upside down. Ready to dive in? Let's talk snacks that travel well. Here's a quick list. Nuts, yogurt cups, and fruit slices. Why snacks? They're your metabolism's best friend, keeping you fueled and focused. But there's a catch. Portion control is crucial. Think small handfuls or prepackaged portions to keep everything in check. This isn't about giving in to your cravings, but about maintaining steady energy and focus throughout your day. Next, let's simplify your meals. Weekends can be your savior. Dedicate a couple of hours to meal prep. Rotating ingredients keeps things fresh, and batch cooking ensures you're not caught off guard during a busy week. Imagine not having to stress about what's for dinner. That's the magic of meal prepping. Less impulse eating, more mindful decisions, and precious time saved for the things you love. Here's a hack you might be overlooking. Sleep. Not just about rest. Sleep helps your body keep hormonal balance in check, aiding weight loss. But how do you manage that with a busy life? Set a sleep ritual. Same bedtime, no screens an hour before. With sufficient sleep, you're better equipped to handle daily challenges and can even improve your focus and energy. There's nothing lazy about prioritizing sleep. It's a game changer for wellness. Goals are your compass. How do you set them smartly? Pick goals that are realistic and personal, with achievable milestones. Incremental steps will prevent burnout and boost your motivation. Regularly track your progress, and don't shy away from celebrating small victories. This approach is about nurturing a mindset where success is sustainable and doesn't just fizzle out. This hack isn't just about what you eat, but how. Mindful eating brings focus and pleasure, helping you regulate portion sizes naturally. Tip: dedicate meal times away from screens and chew slowly. When you eat mindfully, you enjoy your food more and stop when you're satisfied. A simple yet impactful step towards managing cravings and staying healthy. Never underestimate the power of hydration. It boosts metabolism, aids digestion, and can even curb excess snacking. Start by keeping a water bottle within reach throughout the day and set reminders to drink up. Remember, sometimes what feels like hunger is actually thirst. Let's get sipping, because a hydrated body is a happy body. We've covered some powerful hacks today, from planning your meals to hydrating right. These small changes bring big results. Start with one or two and gradually build them into your routine. Share your own tips and any success stories in the comments. For more on staying healthy and balanced, don't forget to hit subscribe. Thanks for watching, and take charge of your wellness journey.